how to report someone on Roblox. In this video, I'm going to show you how to report someone that is breaking Roblox's rules on a PC or laptop. So first in the PC app for Roblox, and then I'll show you how to do it within the desktop browser on your PC or laptop. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So if you're in an experience and you need to report someone, all you need to do is go up to the top left, select the little Roblox icon, and then you'll see a list of everyone in that experience with you. So you have two options to report them. You can either select the little flag with the exclamation point, or you can select the circle with a line through it. And when you do that, you'll have the option to block that person or block and report. So if you select block and report, that person will no longer be able to interact with you, and it will report them to Roblox and they will look into it. Now, if you're on Roblox.com and you want to report someone, all you need to do is first navigate to their profile. So you can either click on their avatar and select view profile, or you can search for them in the top menu and then just look for them under people. Once they come up, select them. And then on their profile, all you need to do is either select report abuse right here, or you can select the three dots next to add connection and go to report abuse. You can also select block user and then select block and report. And this will stop the person from interacting with you on Roblox and also file a report with Roblox. So that's how you report people on Roblox. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.